Hey guys, Scott's Honest Review here. So this is a different type of review. It's not really an unboxing review. It's more or less a product that I've used over. I have over 8 of these, and it's a product that I highly recommend for anybody who has a SD card, micro SD card for your cell phone or your camera or whatever you want to use. So I highly recommend this product. And I will have a link in my video description where you guys can get this. But I have over 8 of these. I use them in all of my cameras. You know, you can use just the small SD found right here. You can use just that for your tablet, your phone, or whatever. Or you can put it in the bigger holder right here and use it for your cameras and whatever else, you know, can take the SD adapter. So this one in particular reads up to 100 MBs and writes up to 90 MBs. It's a class 10, 3. It can handle 4K Ultra HD, and this one in particular is 128 gigabytes. Faster speeds for high resolution photos and 4K Ultra HD videos. So yeah, I highly recommend. It's waterproof, magnet proof, X-ray proof, temperature proof, 10-year limited warranty, authentication available. It's ideal choice for smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, and 4K Ultra HD action cameras. So yeah, it's a really great product, and that's why, you know, I give it a 10 out of 10, and that's why I'm doing this special video. You know, for one, unboxing this would be kind of boring, but you know, it's a product that I really, really do support. And I think you guys, you know, see, that's a problem. Like before, I was recording videos with weak and slow and old memory cards, and I was wondering, you know, how comes other people have the same camera and the quality is much better? Well, they got the better cards. So, you know, not only do you need a good camera or phone or whatnot to take quality images and pictures, you also need to have the card to match your phone. So if you don't, then you have problems. So, okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe. You never know what's coming next.
So this is one of them right here. Oh, there we go. Samsung 64 gigabyte. It is what they say it is. I opened the other one up and already used it. I'm very, very happy with it. Fast. Nasty.